let's add a list in SwiftUI. So we start by just typing in list, and then we're just going to ignore all that and just go with the regular curly braces. And then we're going to add everything that we've learned so far. So we'll say dash, and then in here we'll just say download Xcode. And then if we look in our preview, we already see this in some type of list that we can scroll. So let's just add two more things. So let's just see adding text, add text. You see that one appear too. And now for the next one too, let's just do adding image. And if we go to our list over here, we see just like this. Now, if you don't like the style of list, what you can do is pretty much just like we always do, add a modifier to our list, to our view. So you see like our list is right here. Right here, just add a modifier, and this will be listStyle. And then you hit that here in here, and automatically will be what we have already. But if you hit grouped, you'll see that our simulator updates, and you see like a different type of way how our list can look. If you want to try something else, you can try inset, and this will give it more of like a kind of less extra like gray background. And we have some more options too, so you can go to inset grouped, and we have this style pretty much similar to automatic, and we still have a couple more. So let's just check out plain. And plain will pretty much, yeah, just look plain.